Okay, in here we are ready to start analysis using UrbanSCAD, so we can running our UrbanSCAD with right click and then run administrator. Yes. Okay, while waiting this tools is open, yeah, we must check again, yeah. So our attribute table, it didn't have same ID and didn't have row and column that we do not notice. Okay, we can right click and then okay, this one, this is contain so many data, yeah. So we can delete all this data because we will not use this row. Okay, we can start editing and then we can choose delete field. Okay, here, and then we can Control A and click OK. So all this layer will be deleted and we can create new ID, yeah, with new field feature, and then I'm write ID code mosque. Okay, then ID code mosque. Okay, and for the length I delete and click OK. Here the result. Then we can use open field calculator. Yeah. We must prepare to create new ID using update existing field, ID code, and then we can write $ID plus, for example, maybe for the most I will 2 million, yeah, for example, just for example 2 million. Okay, then we can stop and save. Okay, this one, and then for building residential I will open attribute table, and here we will not use this row. Okay, also start editing again and then choose delete field, Control A and delete all. Okay, then we can also use some step new field, ID code, yeah, ID code building. Okay, ID code building, and then for the length we delete and click OK. Okay, here, and then we can choose open field calculator, update existing field, ID code building, and then $ID plus, yeah, for example 1 million, yeah, 1 million. Okay, yeah, here the ID, so the ID will be different between mosque and residential. Okay, save and stop editing. Okay, and the final, yeah, we can see our network, open attribute table. Yeah, maybe we will we didn't need this row, yeah, we can delete all this row, so we can start editing again, and then we can delete field, yeah, I Control A and then click OK. It will remove all this row. Then we can create new ID code, okay, delete and click OK, and we can also using same step, yeah, sample ID code, yeah, $ID plus 1. Okay, here our ID, yeah, so it will be different between building residential and mosque facility. Okay, and here we are ready to running in UrbanSCAD. First of all, we must use data cleaning, so the error geometry will be explored and will be deleted if they are contains some feature that not have geometry, we can use data cleaning and click link or segment, because we will prepare about a network first. Okay, for the network we can select in desktop tutorial OpenSCAD and we select LN network check, open link segment ID. Yeah, we can use ID code that we have already to create, and then for new links, yeah, maybe I will give name network clean, not check, yeah, but clean, check and clean. Okay, check and clean. Okay, and click compute. We can see in the terminal, and we can see this is running. Okay, here there are one links error. Yeah, so from 40,000 and yeah, it will reduce into one links. Okay, then we can see in desktop, yeah, home, I'm sorry, desktop and tutorial OpenSCAD, we can open check and clean. Okay, yeah, here, yeah, this is our result, and maybe we can check in the attribute table. So the ID code, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, ID code, maybe we must recreate again because it have decimal number, so maybe we must create again ID code, new ID code, I'm sorry, new ID code. Yeah. ID code network, ID code network. Okay, then click OK. We create again network $ID +1. Okay, and we can delete ID code. Okay, and save, stop. Okay, for the next step we can go to create nodes. Yeah, create nodes, and we can for the input we can select LN network check and clean, open. For the output, yeah, maybe PT nodes network. Okay, that's network, save, compute. We can check in the terminal, so the nodes file has been created. We can see, roll it. Okay, here the result, and this node is not in every segment. Okay, then we already to running in our QGIS. Yeah, we already to running in our OpenSCAD some feature in here. For example, I will give tutorial how to find root, yeah, to check our data is clear and ready to analyze in the other feature or have some problem. So maybe we can check find root. Okay, in this step I will check between connected and not connected. So I select connected first. For the network links, I will use LN network check and clean. Yeah. Link evidence will be skip this step. For network nodes, I will select PT node network. Yeah, it will connected between segment in the network. And then for origin nodes, because it connected, so we need use node network, and then origin nodes there we can see in the node network. Right click, open attribute table, ID code. Yeah, maybe I will back in here, ID code. So for the destination folder, destination save file node, destination nodes ID code. Okay, for origin ID, yeah, we can see where, for example, yeah, for example, I'm from ID number 1 and I want go to number 3000 and yeah, maybe in 3007. Okay, and we can go to from origin ID 3007. Okay, output, for example, yeah, simulation find root, simulation find root sat. Okay, save. We can click compute. Here will be running, and voila, we can see the accessibility score is 274. Okay, we can see the result in our folder sim find root. Okay, and I will show into another method. Okay, oh okay, it's too too near. Okay, from number 1 into number 2007. Okay, 3007. Okay, here the result. So our data is correctly, yeah. Maybe we can choose another feature, yeah. For example, using not connected data, yeah, using not connected data. For network links, yeah, we select network check and clean. Link evidence, we can skip this step. Network nodes, we can choose nodes network. Okay, for origin, because it's not connected, so we can use building or building residential, because it's not connected between building and network, yeah. So we can select our building residential, yeah, or PC building residential, not AR but mass point, so we can select PT. Then for origin nodes, yeah, ID code build, yeah, we can see again our attribute table that contains ID code build. Okay, we can back again in here. We can select again building residential and then ID code build. Okay, for the origin ID, yeah, for example, I will see from for example, from building number 1 million into building number 1 million and 5,075. Okay, I will come back in here 1 million. Okay, 1 million into 1 million 75. Okay, here the data, and for the output, yeah, for example, not connected. Okay, not connected. Save, and we can try to compute. Okay, here we go. Accessibility score is 2171. So we can reload again and we can see our network. Okay, maybe I will change the symbology. Okay, yeah, here our result analysis using find root from this point into this point. Okay, then so our data is clear, and our data is already to analyze into another accessibility assessment or centrality assessment. See you on the next tutorial.